Hey there, are you looking for the smartest path to $50,000 per month? In this video, I'm going to show you the 10 best ways to make money. Whether you are looking to start a business or just want some extra cash, these tips will help you achieve your goals. So what are you waiting for? Watch this video and start making your money. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video if you find it interesting. 1. Start a business with low overhead. With the internet, it has become easier than ever before to start a business with a low overhead. You can sell products and services online without having to worry about the cost of inventory or brick and mortar storefronts. Plus, there's a number of ways to make money online, so you can start generating revenue quickly. Whether you are selling handmade goods or digital products, starting a business with a low overhead can be a great way to make money and achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Some examples of such businesses with low overhead costs include app development, website design, online services, freelance writing or consulting, selling digital products such as ebooks, softwares, and stock photos, dropshipping goods from third-party suppliers, running an online store with virtual inventory. Number 2, create a niche market with high demand. If you are looking to create a niche market with high demand, there are a few things you will need to keep in mind. First, you will need to identify a niche that is both scalable and has high potential demand. One way to identify a niche that is both scalable and has high potential demand is by researching what people want. For example, if you are looking at creating a niche market in organic baby products, you can research trends related to organic baby products in order to determine how big the market might be. You can look into factors such as the number of searches for organic baby products, the number of online shops selling organic baby products, and any related topics that might be trending. By researching these factors, you will be able to determine if there is a market big enough to create a niche in. Additionally, you can look into customer demographics and preferences in order to identify areas where the demand may be higher than other areas. By taking the time to research and find out what people want, you will be able to identify a niche that is both scalable and has high potential demand. Once you have done that, you will need to create a marketing strategy that targets this market specifically. This will involve creating content that speaks directly to the needs and wants of your target audience. You should also consider using targeted advertising and social media marketing to reach your niche market. By following these steps, you can be sure that you will be able to create a successful niche market with high demand. Number 3, find an untapped market and exploit it. Anyone looking to make a quick buck knows that the smart money is in finding an untapped market and exploiting it. There are a few key things to look for when trying to find such a market. First, look for something that is not being adequately served by the current options. For example, say there's an untapped market for vegan dog food, with increasingly more health-conscious pet owners looking for natural, cruelty-free options. This may be a highly profitable area to explore. With the right resources and knowledge of animal nutrition, you would create a unique product that appeals to pet owners looking for something different. Secondly, make sure there's enough potential demand to justify your investment. And thirdly, be sure you have the resources and knowledge to effectively reach and serve this market. With this criteria in mind, you should be able to identify opportunities for profit that others have overlooked. And with a little hard work, you can turn these opportunities into reality. 4. Solve a problem that many people have, but few know how to solve. Many people dream of making money from their passion, but few know how to make that dream a reality. If you have a skill or talent that you love, there are a number of ways to monetize it and make a decent income. For example, you could start a blog or YouTube channel dedicated to your passion and sell advertising space, or partner with brands that are relevant to your niche. You could also teach classes or give lectures on your area of expertise, or write and self-publish a book on the subject. With a little creativity and effort, you can find a way to make money from your passion and live the life you've always wanted. 5. Use online marketing techniques to reach your target market. In today's world, one of the most effective ways to reach your target market is through online marketing. By making use of social media, search engine optimization, and other online tools, you can more easily connect with potential customers who are interested in what you have to offer. What's more, online marketing is often more cost-effective than traditional marketing techniques, making it a great option for businesses of all sizes. So if you are looking to boost your sales and reach your target market, consider making use of online marketing techniques. You may be surprised at just how effective they can be. 6. Offer a unique product or service that is not easily replicated. When starting your own business, one of the most important things to consider is what unique products or services you can offer. After all, there's no point in starting a business that simply copies what someone else is already doing. Not only will you be competing against established businesses, but you will also have a hard time making a profit. Instead, you need to offer something that is not easily replicated. This could be a new invention or service that is specific to your local area, or anything else that gives you a competitive edge. A few examples of such unique products or services that you can offer are: 1. A custom-made product or service tailored to the specific needs of a customer, such as customized apparel or home decor. 2. An online subscription service that provides members with access to exclusive discounts and offers from local businesses. 3. A concierge service for busy professionals who need help managing their day. By offering a unique product or service, you are much more likely to succeed as a business owner. Number 7. Focus on quality over quantity. In today's world, it's easy to get caught up in the idea of quantity over quality. We are overloaded with choices and options, and oftentimes it feels like more is better. But when it comes to making money, it's important to focus on quality over quantity. Selling a few high-quality products or services is always going to be more profitable than selling a lot of low-quality ones. There are a few reasons for this. First of all, high-quality items tend to have higher price tags, so you will make more money per sale. Secondly, people are more likely to come back and buy from you again if they are happy with what they've bought in the past. And finally, word of mouth is always going to be your best marketing tool, and people are more likely to recommend a high quality product or service than a low quality one. So if you are looking to make some serious money, focus on offering a few exceptional products or services instead of a lot of average ones. Number 8, sell digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or software. If you are looking for a creative way to making money online, then selling digital products is a great option. You can sell ebooks, online courses, or software and reach a global audience with minimal effort. Plus, there are many platforms that make it easy to get started, such as Gumroad and Shopify. And since you are selling digital products, there are no inventory or shipping costs. So if you are looking for a profitable and fun way to make money online, then selling digital products is a great option for you. Number 9, start a digital marketing agency. Nowadays, there are more and more businesses making the shift to digital platforms. And as the world goes digital, so does marketing. If you are looking to start your own business and make some serious money, then you should consider starting a digital marketing agency. There are many advantages to starting a digital marketing agency. For one, you can reach a global audience with your services. With the internet, businesses can market their products and services to people all over the world with just a few clicks. Additionally, digital marketing is more cost-effective than traditional marketing methods. You can reach a larger audience at a fraction of the cost of traditional marketing methods, such as print or television advertising. Finally, starting a digital marketing agency gives you the opportunity to be your own boss and set your own hours. You can work from home or anywhere else that has an internet connection, making it a great option for those who want flexibility in their careers. If you are looking to start your own business and make some serious money, then starting a digital marketing agency is a great option for you. With the ability to reach a global audience and offer cost-effective services, you can be successful in this rapidly growing industry. So what are you waiting for? Start your own digital marketing agency today. 10. Invest in yourself by taking courses and learning new skills. If you are looking to invest in yourself, there's no better way to do it than by taking courses and learning new skills. Not only will you be making progress towards your goals, but you will also be making money. By taking courses on Udemy, Skillshare, Domestika, LinkedIn Learning, or YouTube, you can learn everything from web development to social media marketing. And the best part is that most of these courses are very affordable. So not only will you be making an investment in yourself, but you will also be making a financial investment that will pay off in the long run. If you are serious about making money, then investing in yourself is the best way to go. For those of you who are serious about making money, these 10 smartest paths to $15,000 a month can help you get there. Whether you are looking to start a digital marketing agency, invest in yourself by taking courses, or selling digital products such as ebooks and softwares, there's something for everyone here. If you want more tips and strategies to help you make money online, then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video by clicking on the thumbs up. I'm always coming up with new and creative ways for you to increase your earning potentials. Good luck and have fun.